amazing find today on the 20th of March 2022.
Asuntosköyttiö, missä on portti.
Yeah, Minkkitie, Minkkitie 1, stick a say here. And oh, amazing sounds as well. Korso, Vantaa, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland. It has the really rare light.
Yeah.
Idle light or
yeah.
Yeah.
Also on second floor button.
Oh yeah, you can see it there. It's extremely rare. It was built in 1989, probably also finished that year. So 30 years old, 2019. And the serial number is V1E0461, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. And the capacity is 4.25 grams, and it serves 2 rides. I hope we'll get to the other 2 staircases and the Conium, which are located nearby here.
Yeah.
As soon as possible. This is also something for Korso TV.
Yeah.
I love the sounds in here.
Same here.
Yeah, it really sounds so much 89 to me.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva and maintained by Koenig.
It might be early 89. If this was finished also that year, it could be early 89.
Yeah.
I'd like to press the 4-2 button.
Yeah.
You can see it go off when you go right up there. Like that. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope we will get to Stakes PNC as soon as possible, and the nearby building with Conium elevators.
Yeah. That's